To welcome to another beautiful, fun, and exciting episode of Cast Dance and Class. And I am your nice, good, beautiful, great fun host. Could be the entertainer. Last night I thought I was dreaming. And I wasn't dreaming. Katra already bought a boat. Because I saw him coming with the body. I looked through the window, but I just heard, the trailer noises. When a trailer is empty and when a trailer has something, you guys wouldn't know. When the trailer is empty and when the trailer has something, you'll hear it coming in. The last time I checked, we didn't have more Spincars, but now we do. So a trailer came in and it was loud it was not as loud as it left. When the trailer leaves, right? When it leaves and when the trailer leaves, right? And then it is empty. It bounces a lot. There's a lot of clang. But when it returns, there's no clang. It has no weight. Katra body. And here it is. I knew it, Katra. Oh, Katra. Is he gonna try this? Or is he gonna spin this? Is he gonna drive this or spin this? Cause I'm confused, but it has a whole lot of stuff. It's the dashboard gets too cheap. But I check us too cheap the moving screen. Oh, rims. Nice. From the front, it looks like a plastic bump. On the front, it looks like a plastic bump. Whoa, it's a plastic bumper. Plastic bumper. Nice one, Katra. Plastic bambara. Now, why is it hard for you guys to sell car rims with caps, guys? Whenever you sell a car, you remove the caps. What's wrong with that? What's with that mentality? Now we will officially never know where this car originated. Like where these rims originate from. Whether they are Lensu, whether they are BBS, whether they are Eagle, we will never know. Time for finding out is gone. But Katra, guys. Katra knows what to do when, guys. It's one thing I like about this guy. He knows what to do when and how to do it. Remember he just sold the V8. He sold the V8. Let me see what's happening this time. He sold the V8 and while I was like, hey, now we're going to have one car only. Damn. Came with plan B. Here's another car. Fresher, better, straighter. It's going to be cooler. Oh. Can you buy 9? Oh, you buy 9 ditavet. Where's the door mechanism here now? Hey, Leona, it is dirty. Why did they even get it? Katra is the plug. He knows what to get, where, and how. I'm sure if he decides that he wants another one, he can get it. Let's go inside. There's nothing that I love about this E30 is that manual window winders, electric window winders stress me out, guys. Electric ones, they stress me out so much. They stress me out because sometimes you find that the wiring is being cut off as the car was being built to become a Spincar. It's been cut off, and now we are left facing to open the windows now. Stuntman cannot end. Let me end. Could be my end, Mr. End. This looks like they've just done it recently. Because look here. Stone cheap. I don't even know why they did it. Maybe they were covering the cracks on the dashboard, if it had any. Go back winner. Go back. Be easy leaning to the front if someone is calling you. This seat, it will never cease to amaze you. What a clean roof. What a clean. Okay, guys. A lot of BMWs mostly have this complicated section here and lights here and all those warnings. And you know what I'm talking about. Why doesn't this one have? Why? Why doesn't it have? And what's this? Oh, this is mirror. Yeah, BMW was advanced. This is to adjust the mirrors because I can see the wires. The wires are here. Why are the electric wires going inside the mirror? And here I think it's like left, right, adjust. These are the things I hate about cars now. Now you find your car is old. It's no longer capable of doing all those electric things. So you can't do anything. But tell me, why does Katra have a tire sponsor from Mozambique? A tire sponsor from Mozambique. This company is in Mozambique. It's sponsoring tires all the way from Mozambique, not here. So Katra is advertising in South Africa, in Mozambique, a tire shop. When he has a puncture, no, guys, let me leave these things. All in all, Mfanaka, I can also give a Katra Makatro savings. Savings, you're just not grave digger, but savings. These seats are for E30. Why are they so big in here? Oh, or the front ones came back a little bit. These ones are not for E30. Nyala, they're so big. Look in here. They're not as high as. No, these ones are not for E30. E28 maybe. E30 no. They're so big for an E30. But they do the job, so. What can I say? Anyway, proud of Kit Kat for the achievements he made, and I know he's gonna make money. He's gonna make he's gonna not money. I know he's gonna make the most out of this car, and it's gonna be a nice car, nice spin car. We're gonna call it powder. Guys, we're calling it powder. Chowder. Okay, right. Anyway, guys, I think I updated you enough. I just can't wait for him to wake up and he's gonna tell me exactly what's going on, because at this point it's one-sided, because I don't know. I'm just guessing that he got this, but I know him, man. How can you just sell a car and then come home with this? Tell me. Past weekend he sold his V8 and now he came home with this. What should I say? Come on, man. Why is it even here? So yeah. Anyway, guys, I gotta love and leave you. I'm gonna wait for him, and then the final word will be coming from him, because yeah. But me knowing him, I know what he's done. So guys, that is all we have for this episode of Cast and Supplies. And I'm gonna ask you for a great finals to be the entertainer. Signing out. Bye bye.